The VDL Mountain Electric Bike for adults, featuring a robust 16-fat tire design and powered by an impressive 800W motor, stands out as an exceptional choice for both seasoned cyclists and those new to the world of e-bikes. This review delves into various aspects of the bike, including its design, performance, battery life, comfort, and overall value for money. Design and build quality. The VDL Mountain Electric Bike boasts a rugged and sturdy construction that can withstand various terrains, making it ideal for off-road adventures and city commuting alike. The frame is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability while keeping the weight manageable. The bike's eye-catching design, coupled with its fat tires, contributes to an aggressive yet stylish appearance that commands attention on the trail. The 16 fat tires provide excellent stability and traction, ideal for navigating through mud, snow, or rocky paths. These tires are wider than standard options, allowing for enhanced grip and shock absorption, which significantly improves the overall riding experience. Additionally, the bike features a front suspension fork that further aids in smoothing out rough surfaces, making each ride enjoyable regardless of the conditions. Performance and power. At the heart of the VDL Mountain Electric Bike is its 800W motor, which delivers impressive power and torque, allowing riders to conquer steep hills and challenging terrains with ease. This motor provides 3 levels of pedal assist, giving users the flexibility to choose their desired level of exertion. Whether you're looking for a leisurely ride or an intense workout, this bike can accommodate your needs effortlessly. Acceleration is swift, and the bike reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it one of the faster options in the market for e-bikes. The gear system, featuring 7 speeds, allows for seamless shifting, ensuring that riders can easily adjust their pace without breaking a sweat. The combination of power and gearing makes it suitable for various riding styles, from cruising on flat roads to tackling rugged mountain trails. Battery life and charging. Equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, the VDL Mountain Electric Bike offers an impressive range. On a full charge, the bike can travel up to 40 miles depending on terrain and rider weight. This extended range makes it ideal for long rides or commuting without the fear of running out of battery. The battery is conveniently removable, allowing for easy charging at home or work. Charging takes about 4 to 6 hours, a reasonable time frame given the battery's capacity. The integrated battery indicator on the bike's display helps monitor the remaining charge, ensuring that riders do not get stranded mid-ride. Overall, the battery performance is reliable and well-suited for daily use or weekend adventures. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is paramount in any bike, and the VDL Mountain Electric Bike does not disappoint. The ergonomically designed seat provides ample cushioning, making longer rides comfortable. The adjustable seat height accommodates different rider sizes, ensuring that anyone can find a suitable fit. The handlebars are also adjustable, allowing for a customized riding position that can reduce strain on the back and wrists during extended use. The bike's fat tires contribute to a smooth ride, absorbing shocks and vibrations from uneven surfaces. Additionally, the front suspension fork enhances this comfort further, making it easier to navigate tricky terrains without feeling every bump. Riders will appreciate the attention to detail in creating a bike that prioritizes user comfort. Safety features. Safety is a significant consideration when it comes to biking, and the VDL Mountain Electric Bike incorporates essential features to keep riders secure. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. This is particularly important when navigating steep descents or crowded urban environments. Reflectors on the bike enhance visibility during low-light conditions, crucial for nighttime rides. Additionally, the bike comes with integrated LED lights, which further improve safety by illuminating the path ahead. Overall, these features contribute to a safer riding experience, allowing riders to focus more on enjoying their journey. Value for money. In terms of pricing, the